Hi, this is Jesse from Deep South Beekeeping and More. Today we're going to make a mineral lick for the white-tailed deer. I have 3 ingredients here to show you, and I'll show you the ratios that I'm going to mix it in. The first is dicalcium phosphate. I'm going to use 1 part. I'm going to use 2 parts of salt. And 2 parts of trace mineral. And I'll mix that well. I want to show you the ingredients here in this dicalcium phosphate. You've got calcium and phosphorus and fluorine. Now this calcium is going to be critical for antler growth and for lactating does. You've got salt and you've got trace minerals. Let me tell you about the ingredients in the trace minerals. You have calcium, phosphorus, salt, magnesium, potassium, sulfur, iron, iodine, manganese, copper, and zinc. These minerals are going to provide the deer the minerals that they may be missing in their natural diet. We're going to supplement them. So I'm going to get this shaken up, add another 1 part, 2 part, and 2 part, and go find a spot. You know, oftentimes our deer do not get enough of the minerals they need in their natural diet. So that's the purpose of this, is to create a healthy deer herd. First thing you do is just clear off a little area. I like to use a stump or a log. Just push the leaves back. It's January, so I'm hoping the deer will find this, and as they go into spring and summer, they'll be getting the minerals that they need. Prepared my mix: 1 part dicalcium phosphate, 2 parts salt, 2 parts trace mineral. I'll refresh this every couple of months. They will even gnaw that old wood as it soaks into that wood. Now, I'm going to work that into the soil. Work it into the soil. Now I'm going to give them a little help finding this site. I'm going to use a great product. This is Ultra Rack. The ingredients in this are rice bran, corn, and dry molasses. I have found that the deer cannot resist it. So I'm going to put a little in this area just to help them find this site faster. That Ultra Rack should bring them on in. I hope this video helps you. It'll definitely save you money over buying the commercial products. If it was helpful to you, please hit like and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next video.